Okay, you're going to hear me in the beginning of this video and the intro talk about the wireless microphone that I have, except for the fact that I didn't know how to set it, the proper settings on the microphone. So the wireless microphone is not even working during the whole video. It's just the microphone picking up from the phone. So just giving you a heads up on that. I'm learning it. Damn it. Oh, now it's working. Hey. Okay, Ryan here for Silly Reviews. We're going to do a quick little cooking demonstration. First of all, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make a roast really quickly. I said really quickly. I didn't say anything about it tasting good or anything like that. But I just wanted to show you I have a wireless microphone set up that I can use with my phones and cameras now. Toner, there's going to be a link in the description and in a pinned comment. But Toner is the brand on it, and the model is K380R. So I'm testing it out right now for the first time. It's comfortable. I think I can wear it around my neck as well. This could open the door for a few things for Silly Reviews. Anyway, let me show you all my meat. In case you ever wondered what my meat looked like. Got this meat right here. Got a roast. Got it on sale. A little markdown. Angus beef. Great for roasting. I don't have time to put this in the crock pot or any of that. So I'm going to show you how I just cook a roast really quickly. Here we go. So we're going to make this roast really quickly. Quick is the key word. I'm hungry. I want some meat. And you guys know about that. So I'm just going to take this big pan here. And, well, I would put olive oil in it if I had it. I don't, but I do have this spray vegetable oil, which is good enough. Good enough. And we're going to set the heat to medium on this. Did I pay my gas bill? Whoa, there it goes. Okay. We're going to take this meat out. We're going to rinse it in the sink really quick. And then I'm just going to throw it in the pan. Okay, so here we are. We're just going to take this big hunk of meat. And we're going to wash it off. Or rinse it off, really. I cook all of my food pretty close to well done. So I really don't worry too much about diseases and stuff. But it's one of those habits. My mom taught me to, my grandma taught me to cook food. You should wash, or at least rinse your meat. So that's pretty easy. All we're going to do now, I'm just going to take it, I'm going to put it in the pan. Like, that's it. That's a fast way to cook a roast. And see if I can get this in a better spot. So that's on medium heat right now. Take garlic. I guess I'm contaminating everything in the house because now I haven't rinsed the E. coli off. Just take garlic, plop that on there. Then we're gonna open up some seasoning blend, like so. This is just onions and celery and bell pepper. I'm just gonna dump a bunch of this in here. And then I'm gonna put a lid on this. I don't know where the lid is. Here, put a lid on it, and I mean, that's it. Towards the end, I'm gonna add some mixed vegetables and got some sea salt and cracked pepper Brussels sprouts. So that's how you cook a roast really quickly. I don't know how long it's gonna cook on here. I'm gonna do some other stuff, probably forget about it, and we'll see what happens. We'll come back in a while. All right, so I changed my mind. And everyone can change their mind from time to time. So I decided I'm going to cut this up to speed up the cooking process. All right, that should really speed things up, I think. Doesn't that look nice? I might have to take a photo of this. Let's do a little time lapse of this cooking while I bust a rap. Yeah, it's Ryan from Silly Reviews. I'm cooking meat. I love dealing with meat. I'll be cooking good food like every day. Food tastes so sweet, you would call it gay. Colorblind in my meat, yo, it might be gray. Meat so damn lean, you might think it had AIDS. If it's got 4 legs, put it on a plate. Shredded cheese, yo, that's gonna be great. Beef so tender, you don't need a razor blade. I could use a butter knife, no laser ray, yeah. I didn't really practice that rap. I should have. But I'm trying to hurry up and put this content out because I've almost got 2,000 subscribers, which is crazy. I'm not trying to be lazy. My left eye hazy. Yeah. Look at that time lapse of that meat cooking. Shit looks sexy. Let's make another rhyme. Rhyme number 2. I'm a sticker with your poo. I just do what it do. Tried and true. American. Yeah. Look at that meat cooking. Hold up. Let me try this one more time. Got a little too short beat. Yo, I'm 5'10". Millimeter is where my weenie begins. And it ain't too thick. Yo, it's kind of really thin. Ain't the motion of the ocean. I'm using lots of lotion. That's my secret potion, solo jerkin'. This rhyme ain't really appropriate for a video where we're trying to talk about how to cook a roast real fast. Foot on the gas, stick it right up in your. There we go. So that right there is the finished product. The laziest beef roast cook ever. And it came out good. Look at it. Tender as hell, cooked as hell. It's ready to go. I mean, it's that easy. Just put your meat in a pan and cook it, and it's game over. It's that simple. Hey, I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. I've been doing this for a long time. We're talking about since 2006. So we'll go ahead, smash, punch, knock out that like button. Then you want to go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me about how you deal with your meat. What do you do with your meat? Believe me, I want to know what you're doing with your meat. Let's talk about it. Leave a comment. Silly Reviews.